Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is a cast iron skillet scrubber. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here. So it comes with these things right here, which for me, they're a must-have when cleaning. If you ever have like stuck on food and you're scraping it with your fingers, sometimes it will like splinter and actually get up in your fingernail and it really hurts. So these are life-changing. You can scrape pans and stuff really well with these if you have a lot of stuck on food. These are a must-have. I'm telling you, I use these all the time. Absolutely love them. And then I love the way this one looks. So pretty, and this is my style. Look how cute this is. So it has a little holder like this. And that's what the little cast iron skillet scrubber looks like. You can see it's metal. And so what it's going to do is it's going to pretty much like scrape all the debris, because you're not supposed to use soap or anything on a cast iron skillet. So this will really get all the stuck on food without having to use just soap. So very nice. I love it's like aesthetically pleasing to have on your counter like the bamboo wood. But let me go ahead and show you how to use it. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.